Having tinnitus really does make us appreciate the little sounds that others often take for granted. They bring moments of recovery and peace, and often relief from our internal noise. Silence, on the other hand, can be the opposite, and for those with tinnitus like myself, it's something most of us can't face head on. And that's why this little device was created. Tinnitus is a small, discreet, wearable white noise device that helps relieve your tinnitus 24/7, no matter where you are. It's an excellent choice for those of you with busy lives and especially for discreet daytime use. It's more affordable than other solutions I've reviewed in the past, and there's no need to see an audiologist. Even if you wear hearing aids like myself, you can still use Tinnitus in combination. So if you're looking to upgrade those valuable time out moments, Tinnitus helps to break the silence.